Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to solve Telegram limit exceed. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So if you're getting a Telegram limit exceed problem when you are trying to log in into your account, then the first way you can do, wait for 24 hours and after that try again to log in into your account. Hope it will fix the problem. And the second way is you'll need to uninstall your Telegram app. And the third way is open your phone settings and go to app and find here Telegram and click on storage, and you'll need to clear cache. So click on clear cache. Also you can clear data, and after that hope your problem will fix. If you think to see more Telegram videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thanks for watching.